Hey everyone, this is Britt from the Britt the Affiliate YouTube channel, and I am showcasing my all-time favorite tool today to showcase everything about Viral View. So everything about Viral View is really important because you always want to make sure in this line of work, you're working smarter, not harder. The goal is passive income, and that's what I've been teaching everyone how to get into the Amazon affiliate, Amazon influencer program. No matter what it is, making passive income is really the number one goal. That way you can do everything you want with your family and you don't have to worry about the money because the money's coming in behind the scenes. And that's really what you want to do with the Amazon influencer program, but you really want to have the right tools to do the job. So what I'm going to showcase today is the Viral View extension. So this extension is a really, really great option to have because whether you have the pro plan or the free plan, you are going to get a great increase in your sales. Right now, I do have the pro plan, so it's what I'm going to be showcasing today. I also have a 10% off coupon in the link below, so you can check that out. Brit10 is what you would utilize for that, but it is a great plan. So I used the free plan for a while and really started to see those pro features that I was seeing were really going to be beneficial for my game. And so that's what I want to make sure that I showcase today. So let's get to it. All right, so let's start with creator connections and what Viral View does with this. If you've been following along, I have talked about so many different things with offsite, onsite, and so many different things with my Amazon Master Course that I absolutely want to focus now more on creator connections because this is where you are seeing everybody joining in, getting those higher commissions. So when you do onsite, you do typically have 2, 1.5, 3%. As you can see here with Creator Connections, it's 50% in some of these. I have it filtered by commission right here, but these items, if I were to sell one of these, I would get 50% commission. That is a game changer, and your earnings are going to increase tremendously with this opportunity. But what Viral View is they do it even more so where they are able to help you accept related campaigns. Right here, this is the beginning where I've started to use this piece of it, but all you have to do is accept the related campaigns through this button. Before, what you would have to do, you'd have to go in individually. Let's say I had this item, you're clicking in it, you're accepting it, and then this is where you would end up having to put all of your content links and all of those things. That is time consuming. You have to work smarter and not harder in this situation. And so what Viral View does is they accept the related campaigns for you. So you just have to click this. All of what's going to do is it's going to run in the background. It's going to collect all of the ASINs that you have on your Amazon storefront, and it is going to automatically accept those campaigns, and it is also going to put the link in there as well that gets you the commission. This is huge. This is a complete time saver because as a mom of two, I can click this, I can walk away. Sometimes, and I do have slow internet, I will say that. This does go a lot faster for other people, but this is a great way to be able to go in, accept those campaigns because Creator Connections is constantly adding new products. And there is a good chance that if you're not using this, you are missing out on a ton of money. So that is number one, the biggest thing that I absolutely love for the Creator Connections. And then onto this portion. So as you can see, when you have this plan, you are going to be able to see over here on the side. And again, I will put a link below that will showcase everything that you need, including a coupon code that you can put in at checkout to be able to get a discount on your Viral View. With this, you're scrolling down, you're seeing all of the different options, and it is going to tell you what are the best options for you based on all of the commission rates. And so as you can see here, you have the viral score. Another amazing feature of this is that you have templates that you can send. So if let's say I'm going through Viral View and I wanted the Viral View hack here through the Creator Connections and I wanted all three of these items. All I would have to do is click send message and they are automatically sending all of these messages because I have templates set up. So instead of going in, inviting every single one into a message and then putting the message in there, it is going to automatically do it for you. And it takes no time at all to be able to send them. So through Creator Connections alone, you have two ways that Viral View has set it up for success. that I absolutely love. My third favorite feature of this is the optimizer. So this is in your manage content section. You can find it with this viral view toggle that they have right here as well. But when you go into it, it's a great feature because all you have to do is click the optimizer, and right now, what this is telling me is that all of these products that I have videos on are dead. They're dead. There's the ASINs are no longer tagged in this. And so instead of just kind of guessing and going through and seeing, okay, what's no longer available, which again is time consuming. I don't have time to do all of that. Viral View does it for you. And then you just have to go here, you click edit, and then this pops up. So as you can see here, it looks like these different items may be out of stock or no matter what it is, or it does tell you on here, no ASINs tagged, previously tagged ASINs are no longer available. And so another really cool feature is that you can also do it this route. So if I wanted to click this product view, what you do get with the Pro plan is a parent ASIN. The parent ASIN means that if somebody purchases or looks at this, or if they look at this one, no matter what they're looking at, you are always going to get your video to be viewed because you're using that parent ASIN. With the free plan, you don't get that parent ASIN. So here it is loaded. So you have the parent ASIN. So all you have to do is click these. This ASIN is what you get with the free plan, but this parent ASIN again means that any color, no matter what color they are clicking on, your video is going to show up on every single one of these colors. So a lot of times if you don't have the parent ASIN, they might just click on this, but if you don't have this one linked and you have something else linked, it's not going to show up in the video. The parent ASIN is super important, and then all you have to do is click it right in there, and then you can click tag. So it's just saying that you're tagging it, and then you're good to go. So it has successfully tagged two ASINs in there, and that is absolutely huge. Huge time saver. You no longer have to look and see which ones are dead, which ones need to be edited. This gives you a set information on what you need. So overall, as you can see, this is a game changer as an Amazon influencer. And I am absolutely floored that I did not do this before because it has made my incomes grow tremendously. As soon as I got the Pro plan, I took advantage of all of these features and I have seen over and over again more freebies coming to my door, more opportunities for creator connections income, and so much more passive income. Passive income is huge. I talk about that so much in my channel, and being able to have a tool that can help you create more passive income just by really honing in and becoming a pro in this Amazon influencer space, it is absolutely huge. Like I said, I'm going to put a link below. The link below is very key to make sure you use. That does tie it in with me, and I do get affiliate commissions from this. However, I would never want to sell something that I do not truly believe in. I have used so many different products that are similar to Viral View that just there is no comparison. And these guys are always adding so much into the Viral View, different products, different features. So I get on different calls with them to be able to showcase all of the things that they're doing. And it is so amazing to really see how much they are changing things. If you have a suggestion where, like, hey, this would be a really great feature, a lot of times they'll look into seeing if they can add it. So it is a great product to have. It is a great thing to optimize all of your commissions with Amazon Influencer Program. This is definitely something that I would highly recommend. I cannot talk about this enough, you guys. I am going to be doing quite a few videos and series just digging more into Viral View, but these are three of my favorite all-time uses for Viral View, so make sure to check them out and make sure to check the video below, the description below, and we will see you next time.